Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two LED strip lights, 100 feet long. So on the left I got the Leeleberd and the Keepsmile on the right. Now they both come with two rolls that are 50 foot long each. They got a remote control. They've got this adapter. Now the adapter, you're going to be able to plug each 50 foot roll into either side. They don't have an adapter on the end to where you can plug the other one in and make one big 100 foot roll. They both have this plug-in. You're going to have to plug in the power supply, plug it into this adapter. Now there's where the infrared's going to control it. So if I have to be able to point the infrared, that point right there, and to be able to change the color. Now from what I can tell, these look like they're pretty much about the same. So you're gonna unwind it, and then they both have two-sided tape. You're gonna peel the two-sided tape back. The sticky part's gonna stay on the light, and you can stick them wherever you would like. They both have this adapter here. That's how you're gonna put it in. There's these two, it'll only go one way. There's these two lines. That's gonna line up with that notch at the top. So then you just simply put it in. It will only go one way, and then put the other 50 feet on that one. Now let's go over how to cut these LED lights. You cannot cut it. There's only a couple places you can cut it. It's all along here, but you got to find these copper strips. So anytime you come across one of these copper strips like this is where you can cut it. And you can take, now make sure power is off, unplugged, and you're simply going to go right across that, right in the middle of those copper strips. Okay. If you cut it anywhere else along here, there's a certain portion of the LEDs are not going to work. Now let me show you how to do a really quick 90-degree turn. So you're going to be putting your lights down. Now you cannot do this where there's an LED light. You got to do it between the two LED lights, and you're simply going to just fold it over onto itself, get the two-sided tape away, or get the backing away, and just kind of fold it onto itself like this. And now I've got a 90-degree turn, and I can keep going. Now don't smash that down really hard, but it will work and let electricity through there, and I can make as many 90-degree turns as I would like. They both have the same power supply. The power supplies have about a 3-foot cord. The remotes do look pretty close to being the same, yeah. Pretty close, yeah. So I hope this comparison video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.